After a long period of peaceful approaches, activism, advocacy, and a lot of diplomatic approaches, the president has accepted to escalate the Balaalo must go by issuing the executive order number 2. The Balaalo have started moving. But it is only the disciplined ones who have started abiding by the order. Not all Balaalo are sitting on the sideline. Some have taken protest and resistance, going against the executive order number 2 and playing the victim. Others have also taken the matter to the court.
You're protecting your jobs. You're so quiet on protecting our jobs. We are here protecting our jobs, not cows. To protecting because they to jam chokuria abana bafe wotsomeza to jam school fees nabo mubimanyi all responsibilities tuzijyawo buli omwe akora business jamani President Museveni nkwegayiride nze ng'omwana omuteye yiyakare nkwegayiride nsobora n'okufukamira banfukamire nze nkusaba president w'eggwanga. So hurt. We are so hurt. If we can struggle as youth, then you let us down. In Uganda, you got to letting us down. Only a few people, Chief Justice, Oranya, and Otono, or something like that. Dongo over or Dongo. But just after elections. Are they called elections or votes? Whatever. President Museveni took a
What you're seeing now is a Balaalo who said that the Balaalo are just investors and they should not be expelled from Acholi, no matter what. Investors, I think that must be a really traditional investment. Overstocking density and a future of projected greater animal to human ratio. Oh, what would it be? The impact on the environment.
Now, are you from Acholi? Are you a leader from Acholi? Hear me. The Acholi people need people, other people to develop. As an individual, you need people to develop. A country needs people to develop. Though we call them investors, for the case of the country, we call them investors. They come as investors to invest. Acholi leaders are chasing the Balaalo right now, that they should go from their land. It's a terrible mistake because you need people to develop. I will not talk about the direct from the president, but stay humble. The actual leaders, stay humble, please.
After years of wars, disease infestation, lives lost in the hands of diseases, Karamjong cattle invasion, the Palan fight, LRA, what made the rest of Ugandans call the Acholi people Konji. There's no way you can say Acholi people are not humble. Acholi are extremely humble.
The Balaalo are packing their herds of cattle, leaving Acholi region. Right now, my question is the Acholi people benefiting or they are losing? Go to the comment section and tell me. Are they benefiting or they are losing? They are packing their herds of cattle, leaving. Some of them, they don't know where they are going. I cannot talk about the directive from the president, because what I think that directive is coming out of the investigation that was carried. Now, are they losing or they are benefiting? Go to the comment section.
Anyway, this video is just to introduce a dropping episode of 12 videos titled Balaalo Must Go. The dozen talks.